Alright, today we're going to be looking at this KIDISLE 3-in-1 iced coffee maker. And it's got multiple functions. Let's take a look. Comes with a manual here. Got a warranty, 2-year warranty, very nice. Let's see, 3 steps, diagnose, coffee machine. Okay, cool, so it's got a troubleshooting guide, love that. And it comes with a nice manual here. Let's take a look. Good packaging. Okay, so you're going to be careful when you take these out. Let's just kind of inch it out a little bit here. See what we're working with, huh? Alright, okay. Alright, oh wow. Look at that. Okay, so got, oh, look at that. So you got this kind of tape on here. Looks like the reservoir. Oh, here we go, look at that. So you've got cable that actually feeds into the back there. That's nice. And then you've got a tank in here. Comes with its own little pod. Actually, it's a big pod. See there? That's nice. Okay. Comes with a little bit of a scent, but not crazy. Let's see. This is like a little, yeah, a little coffee server with a little brush. That's nice. This one, okay, so you just push the button and it opens up. Let's see if we can't get a little bit more of an angle on this, huh? Let's see here. Oh. Get my camera to focus. Okay, so you can see, got a nice set here. This is actually strapped on, but that does come off. That's nice. So it comes with some helpful details. Reservoir is nice. Has a max line there. Cool. So it actually comes with a little bit of a detail on what you can do for the different sizing. You can see there. A little hard to see with the light, I guess. Focus. Yeah, there you go. So it's got some helpful information on this system here. Main useful thing here is the capsule with some very nice features. I like that it's got the size you can select, bold, like how strong you want it, capsule, ground, over ice. Love an iced coffee maker. I wish I had a model that did that, so this is very nice. This will actually be a great addition where I'll be able to start actually doing that. That's kind of why I got it now, so I can actually do the iced coffee. More instructional details and how it's all working together, so very nice here. Big fan of that. This all looks pretty good. Awesome. I think the accessories are nice. It feels good. I've actually seen some other models before that felt very tinny. This actually has a decent weight, not too heavy, but just right. I like that. Accessories pretty nice here. Good packaging, good instructions. I like that it comes with a troubleshooting guide in the event that we actually need to, you know, see what's going on with the model. I think that's great. I like that it's also kind of portable. It comes with this little cord here that just kind of goes in the back. So very nice. Overall, I think this is a great model to immediately start out with. Let's take a look at initial functionality. Alright, so we just plugged it in. You can see, turns on. That's great. So 8 ounce, you can choose like sizing on this. Oh, look at that, standard or stronger. Oh, so that actually runs. So you can actually immediately runs if you choose capsule, ground, or over ice, that'll immediately start it. So the power button's there, but then that starting is actually one of the buttons here. Very simple. I think also you could hear it running there when I was pushing start on it. This is great. I really like the design of this thing. I like the clasp. I cannot tell you how annoying it is when you get one of these systems and it doesn't really clasp. So I really like that it feels solid. This is a great, actually it feels like it has a little bit of suspension, like almost like a little bit of a mini hydraulic. That's nice. Very big fan of this system so far. I think this is going to be a great addition, and assuming everything goes well, I could see myself using this for years. So, very happy with that. Link to get this on Amazon will be in the description below. Please use my link to support the channel. Like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.